Have you ever wanted to start a product business but felt like the startup costs were completely out of reach? What if you could launch for under $500 and sell out in 3 days? In just a few simple steps, you will learn exactly how to start a pheromone perfume business on a tiny budget and sell your first batch almost immediately. First, understand what makes pheromone perfume one of the most in-demand and low-cost products to create and sell right now. Next, discover where to source ingredients, how to blend your first product, and how to package it beautifully on a budget. Then, learn the simple launch strategy that you can turn a small investment into a real product business that people love. Picture this. You can turn a small investment into a real product business that people love. Picture this. You spend a weekend mixing and packaging your first batch. You post it Monday. By Wednesday night, it's completely sold out. Your phone is buzzing with people asking when you'll restock. You smile, because this is just the beginning. Remember, the best businesses don't always need a big start. They just need a smart one. Starting small and selling fast is a game changer. It creates income, momentum, and a brand people come back to. Don't wait. Grab your copy of Start a Pheromone Perfume Business for under $500 and launch your first batch today.